Hello everyone, my name is Sam Yunker and today I will be talking about how I used graphic design principles in my infographic about car crashes in the state of Idaho. Color theory is the science and art of using color. I chose to use two monochromatic scales of analogous colors, purple and pink, to create a visually appealing and colorfully harmonious infographic. I didn't want to use colors that were too vibrant or too dull when talking about such a serious thing as car crashes. It had to be something that pulls the reader in, and the shades of pink and purple I used seemed to fit that criteria. Proximity is the grouping of related design elements to establish a connection between individual pieces as parts of a whole. This was done here in my pictogram. I grouped the skulls by year, effectively showing how many people were in fatal car crashes each year. I left the actual numbers for each year out because numbers are often forgotten if they are just given to the reader. So if they wanted the actual number for each year, some counting would have to be involved, making the number more meaningful and memorable. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of elements in such a way that implies a hierarchy of importance within a section. This was applied in my infographic through the use of color. The text in my infographic was organized with a monochromatic scale of purple with the 60-30-10 principle. This purple was used in the title, the visualized numbers, as well as some key points to establish some importance with this color. And the background was made of a gradient dark purple that allows the other purples to be visible in contrast to. All charts and graphics were portrayed using a monochromatic scale of pink to separate them from the text background, as well as using contrast of shades to distinguish different parts on each chart and graphic. Alignment means that elements are not scattered on a page, but arranged relative to a line or margin. I used horizontal alignment for all text to show that it was part of a uniform section. I used vertical alignment between these purple lines throughout the infographic to show that the information inside is related to one another, like this text and this graphic. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.